Welcome back, Crammers, to question 14. Anjali, Raveena, and Sandeep were the three candidates in an election. Heidi draws a pie chart for the number of votes received by each of the three candidates. So a pie chart is a perfect circle. The angle in the pie chart for the number of votes received by Anjali is 90 degrees. So we can write here 90 degrees. It's always best to use a protractor when available. The angle in the pie chart for the number of votes received by Ravina is 160 degrees. That's just less than 180. This is Ravina. Okay. Ravina received 400 votes. So we can write that here. 400 votes. Work out the value of votes Sandeep received. Okay. So if we're able to find the angle of how many votes Sandeep received, we're able to find how many votes he received in the election. So let's get started. We see here that Ravina is 160 degrees and she received 400 votes. What does that mean? So 160 degrees is equivalent to 400 votes. If we divide both sides by 160, that means a single angle in this pie chart is equal to 2.5 votes. So the total angle for Sandeep is 360 for a good circle, 360 minus Ravina, which is 160, minus Anjali, which is 90. We can use a calculator to find our answer. 360 minus 160 minus 90. This gives us 110 degrees. Now that we know that 1 degree is equal to 2.5, so our answer of 110 multiplied by 2.5 should give us the total amount of votes. So 110 times 2.5 gives us 275 votes. 275 votes, which means Sandeep wins the election. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.